Good evening, everybody. It's Chris from Oddly Specific Films. Tonight we got a little bit of a snowstorm coming in. Figured I'd go out and get some photos of my Jeep. So YouTube does this cool thing where it actually recommends video ideas based off of what it thinks people would like to watch. And it suggested that I go outside and take some photos of my Jeep in the snow. But anyway, I don't know if YouTube knows that I like doing that, or if people really want to see photos of a Jeep at night in the middle of a snowstorm. But either way, it sounds like a good time to me, and I need a chance to get some nice photos of this thing. It's only snowed a couple inches so far, but it's saying it's snowing about 2 inches an hour. So by the time we get up out of here, get this thing cleared off, probably be another couple inches on it. So I did pack my kinetic rope and my shovel, just in case somebody a little less fortunate than me is stuck somewhere. Never know, maybe some elderly person was out getting groceries for their sick partner and gets stuck in a bad spot. Never know what you'll run into. But you probably noticed by now I actually brought a second camera with my light strapped on top of it. And that's because the last time I did a snow clearing video, you couldn't see anything. It was so dark. Usually the light reflects off the snow. It makes it a little bit easier, but I was surprised at how dark it was. So I'm gonna try my best to not have that happen. I think I got it cleared off decently well considering it's actively snowing. I'm gonna warm up with a Willie and head to the first spot. Alright, so we are at spot number 1. You might recognize the place, 7-Eleven. Got myself a small Slurpee right there. Been here a couple times before. I think the real reason I like it is just it's kind of cool with the sign there. It's close by. It's a little bit quiet. We used to come here back in high school and hang out once in a while. Actually, there's another 7-Eleven up the road we came to even more often. Just seeing what it does in auto mode right now. Maybe take a little I'm getting pelted with snow. That's kind of the point, though. Good thing I had that Best Buy protection plan. I don't think this camera is weather sealed. Or if it is, the camera is weather sealed and not the lens. I'm gonna try changing some manual settings here. My hand's about frozen solid already. Alright. Let's take a couple more quick. I go back to the warmth of my Jeep. Alright, I'm going back inside. Great time to have that heated steering wheel. Alright, so we are at spot number 2 right now, Main Street in Sayville, New York. I really like it just because it's close to home and also has some nice sights. And I did actually, I was going to feel bad because I know the plow trucks are out, but there's other cars parked here, so I don't actually feel bad that I'm blocking the road for blocking the parking spots. You know what? This is actually my first time doing a photo shoot in the snow, and it actually makes me really appreciate the nice auto modes, the good autofocus. Just makes me appreciate not having to mess around with it. Now, the only, I guess, conundrum with this kind of camera setup is I can't use the EVF. I got a camera on my face and two cameras in my hand. Should be some portrait ones, maybe. but those look kind of sick. It's funny, my friend just texted in the group chat saying he barely made it home in his Cadillac. I can't relate, I have a Jeep, buddy. These people probably think I look so stupid right now in the middle of a snowstorm with 3 cameras on me. Yeah, it is snowing fast. It's like a wet, slushy, nasty. It's not that deep, but I'm not looking forward to shoveling the driveway. I want to get one from across the street. I mentioned it earlier, I'm pretty sure this camera is weather sealed, but not the lens. And there's the plow truck. That's gripping it. Whole lot of noise and not going nowhere. Sounds fun though. Alright, I think that about wraps up this spot. Maybe find somewhere else to go. Fortunately, there's not really any dirt roads or anything nearby. The only ones I could think of are at the state parks, and they're definitely closed. The local parks, I should say. So I'm at my last stop, and the snow is pretty much turning to rain now, but I couldn't really find too many more places that I wanted to get some photos at, so I'm doing it outside of Connecticut State Park, so I could at least get some trees in the background. So just got some nice video footage right there, social media setup. Alright, more photos. Like I said, obviously all the parks are closed this time of night. It's about almost 11 now. But I figured I could at least get some trees in the backdrop. So I gotta go to the bathroom, so I think that just about wraps up tonight's photo shoot. But I hope you enjoyed. Got to see some nice pictures of my Jeep. Got to do a little bit more driving around in the snow. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody.